Are you tired of metal detectors that don't give you the results you're looking for? With so many options on the market, choosing the best one for your treasure hunts can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 best metal detectors of 2025, each offering advanced features, incredible depth detection, and unmatched performance. Watch the full video, because one of these will blow your mind with its capabilities, and I'll share the one I personally think is the best. As always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Stay tuned to find your perfect metal detector for 2025. Let's get started with the video. Number 5. Bounty Hunter TK4. The Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 is a great entry-level metal detector that offers excellent value for beginners and hobbyists. With a lightweight design, weighing only 3.7 pounds, it's easy to handle for extended periods, making it perfect for casual detecting sessions. The 6.7 kHz frequency allows for solid detection capabilities, while notch discrimination and ground track technology help filter out unwanted metals, ensuring a more precise hunt. It's also equipped with a two-tone audio system, allowing you to differentiate between valuable and non-valuable targets. Notable features include an ergonomic padded armrest, adjustable height, and a convenient detector stand, making it comfortable to use for people of all sizes. Additionally, the 5-year warranty offers peace of mind, especially for those new to metal detecting. The price typically ranges between $86 and $99, making it an affordable option for those just starting out. If you're a beginner or buying a gift for someone interested in metal detecting, the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker i4 is an excellent choice for 2025. It's user-friendly, reliable for light to moderate detecting, and offers a balance of quality and affordability that's hard to beat. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or plan to use it in highly challenging environments like saltwater beaches, you may want to consider a more specialized model. Number 4. Garrett Ace 400. The Garrett Ace 400 is a highly regarded entry-level metal detector, offering a range of valuable features for those new to metal detecting or looking for a more capable budget-friendly option. 10 kHz frequency. This higher frequency offers better sensitivity to low to medium conductivity targets, such as gold and lead, making it ideal for detecting precious metals. Waterproof coil. The 8.5 X11 submersible coil allows users to search near lakes, streams, or on beaches, although the control box itself is not waterproof. Iron audio. This feature provides auditory feedback for iron targets, helping users avoid digging unwanted items like nails or trash. Digital target ID. The LCD screen displays a numeric ID that helps identify the metal type, providing more detailed feedback on what's underground. Adjustable notch. Discrimination. Users can fine-tune the detection to target specific metals, such as coins, and exclude unwanted materials like aluminum. Built-in pinpointer. This makes locating targets more precise, minimizing the need for large digging holes. With 4 preset search modes, jewelry, coins, relics, and custom, and an easy-to-use interface, the Ace 400 caters well to beginners while offering a decent level of customization. Price-wise, the Garrett Ace 400 generally falls in the range of $357 to $400, making it an affordable option for its capabilities. For 2025, the Garrett Ace 400 is still a great choice for beginners and intermediate users. Its combination of ease of use, solid features, and price makes it ideal for hobbyists looking to explore metal detecting without breaking the bank. However, if you're aiming for advanced features like full waterproofing or ground balancing for more challenging terrains, you might want to explore higher-end models. Number 3. Minelab Equinox 800. The Minelab Equinox 800 is a powerful and versatile metal detector designed for hobbyists and seasoned detectorists alike. Leveraging multi-IQ technology, it operates on multiple frequencies, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 40 kHz, simultaneously, or allows you to select a specific frequency, which enhances accuracy across various environments. This technology, combined with its 4 detection modes, park, field, beach, and gold, makes it effective in diverse terrains, from beaches and parks to gold prospecting sites. Waterproofing up to 10 feet, 3 meters, for underwater detection, making it ideal for beach hunts and water-based searches. An 11-inch Double D smart coil with a protective skid plate, offering a balance of sensitivity, ground coverage, and energy efficiency. 12-hour battery life with a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, allowing for extended detecting sessions. Lightweight build at 2.96 lbs, which enhances portability and minimizes fatigue during long excursions. The Equinox 800 also includes automatic and manual noise cancellation and ground balance adjustments, which optimize performance across various soils and terrain types. Priced around $899, it may be a higher investment, but for 2025, this detector remains an excellent choice for serious detectorists who value flexibility and performance in one device. Beginners may find the cost a bit steep, yet for dedicated users looking to upgrade, the Minelab Equinox 800 offers a durable, feature-rich option for both land and underwater detecting. Number 2. Minelab Vanquish 440. The Minelab Vanquish 440 is an accessible yet powerful metal detector, ideal for enthusiasts or beginners. Here's a breakdown of its standout features. Multi-IQ technology. This innovative technology operates on multiple frequencies simultaneously, giving users enhanced detection capabilities, especially useful for varied environments and ground conditions. Waterproof coil. With a waterproof coil up to 1 meter, 3 feet, it's well suited for beach and shallow water searches. Target ID. The clear Target ID display helps users quickly interpret the type of buried object. Adjustable sensitivity. With 8 levels of sensitivity, the Vanquish 440 adapts to different ground and target types. Pinpoint mode. This allows for precise location identification, helping users to target and recover items with greater accuracy. Custom discrimination patterns. Easily set discrimination patterns to focus on preferred targets, filtering out unwanted metals. Iron identification. The horseshoe icon lets users distinguish between iron and non-iron objects, saving time on junk metals. Lightweight design. Weighing only about 2.5 lbs, 1.13 kilos, it's comfortable for prolonged use. Typically priced around $250 to $300, this detector delivers excellent value. It's perfect for casual hobbyists seeking high-quality features without a hefty price tag, and it performs well for park, field, and beach detecting. While it covers most casual needs, advanced users or those detecting in mineral-rich soil may find a higher-end detector more suitable. For 2025, the Minelab Vanquish 440 remains a great choice for entry-level and intermediate users who want reliable technology on a budget. Number 1. Nocta Simplex BT. The Nocta Simplex BT is a solid choice for metal detector enthusiasts, especially in 2025, where it combines advanced features with affordability. Priced around $299 or $279 in the UK, it stands as one of the most budget-friendly metal detectors offering wireless audio through Bluetooth, which enhances user comfort by eliminating the need for wired headphones. This model features a waterproof 11DD search coil that allows you to hunt for treasures in wet conditions up to 5 meters deep. The aluminum and carbon fiber shaft provides a lightweight but durable design, making it easy to carry during extended sessions. The vibration mode is an excellent addition, particularly useful when hunting in noisy environments, and it helps improve target identification. With auto-manual ground balance and 20 hours of battery life, this detector is well suited for varied environments, from parks and fields to beaches. However, it's important to note that while the Simplex BT provides a robust set of features, those seeking advanced target discrimination and customizable recovery speeds may need to look at the Simplex Ultra, which offers these options. For most hobbyists, the Simplex BT is a great fit, delivering excellent performance, solid build quality, and wireless convenience. If you're in the market for a reliable metal detector at an entry to mid-level price, it's one of the best choices in 2025.